Hey guys, welcome back to a new video, and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to get a custom keyboard on iPad or iPhone. Pretty sure it works on iPhone. So it's a super simple, really. All you got to do is download an app, and there's going to be no cuts. Like, this is the way I did it and no way you can do it. So yeah, let's get into it. First step, go to App Store and then go to search and then type in Gboard, no spaces, and you could click on Gboard or Gboard dash the Google keyboard. Either one, it will pop up. So Gboard, the Google keyboard, press download. Normally it would say get, like this one, like that or that, but I've already downloaded it. And then once it downloads, just wait. Oh, now once it downloads, once you get into it, it will like turn it like if it was on a phone, but it's still, you can still do it on iPad. So like, yeah, and I'm doing it on iPad. So just twist your thing, press on get started, and press on get started again, and then it will take you to here. Press on keyboards, press on Gboard, and then press on allow full access, then press on allow, like a confirmation, and then once you're done with that, go home and then press on Gboard again, then like do that. And if this doesn't pop up, just press skip, and then go to themes, go to or like you can do this too, and go to landscapes or like whatever you want, and then press on one of them, and then it will probably download. But then, like, normally you'd have the white and gray keyboard, but now you have this. And if this doesn't pop up, press on the Wikipedia thing, press on next keyboard, press on next keyboard, and or if this pops up when you press on it, press on Gboard, and then whatever one you picked out will pop up, and then you can type like that, whatever you want to. And if you also go to custom and press like on any picture, like Grimace, it downloads from iCloud. You can press like go where you want to, press choose, but it doesn't work for me, and it might work for you, but like for me it doesn't work. But yeah, that's the full tutorial. If you have any questions, just put it down in the comments, and yeah, have a nice day. Bye.
Bounce when she walk, then bounce when she walk, bounce when she walk, clap when she walk.